Today is Saturday, May, what is it, 22nd, and we are bringing home our bees. That's Peggy driving the car.
I thought she get her box. She was in such a dither before.
Oh yeah, she got it all made and
okay.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
I think you want gloves.
Oh, they've gone to town. I'm scared.
How are we going to pull them out?
I don't know. Did you bring the hive tool?
It's somewhere.
I need it. What do we do with all these ones?
Well,
we'll shake them in after,
right.
Yeah.
I don't see the queen.
I think we might have to rip the whole box apart. All right, frame number
cool.
1. Oh, jeez.
Ever so gently. Oh, you're squishing a few on the side. Okay, I'm going to smoke. Oh, you're going to smoke. Look for the queen.
Is she marked? Is it a marked queen?
I don't think so.
I don't know. I'm not doing a lot of looking. I'm just doing a lot of putting.
I don't blame you. I'm sure she's being covered by other bees, so to protect her and keep her warm. Lord, it's cold.
Okay, I think when you smoke it up, Shana. Come on. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
I'm sure I just saw the queen.
I think they like their new home.
I would.
Like that.
All brand new.
Yeah,
you can smoke me. Thank you. You can smoke me all you want. I don't care. Or there's brood?
Eggs. There's eggs and brood and honey and pollen.
Okay, so there's...
This one is just so blue. I'm going to have to cut.
Yes, the propolis is whatever.
Considering I'm ripping their house apart, they're being awfully nice.
Yes.
Okay, get this end now. You should move though. Get away from me. Come on. There we go.
You know, I'm thinking we should probably
Holy,
scrape those things off.
Does it have to be in the same order, I guess, or no?
I don't know. I'm not worrying about that right now. I don't think so. Last one. Oh, there's a lot of bees. Okay. Okay.
Do you want me to bring the smoker over to you? Well, nobody's been stung yet.
I feel it was intuition. Marcus is banging.
Yeah.
Just bang them.
Bang them down.
They're smart. So I guess that's going to be at an angle. There. Nobody's singing.